All right, let's talk about when do you know it's time to replace your windows, what choices are out there, and how I went from this to this. It's so beautiful, and it really captures this incredible view that we have here. So this house I bought with my husband about 3 years ago had these windows from the 80s. They were super dated. And one of the best things about this house is that it's remote. It has amazing views from almost every window. And it literally aesthetically bothered me so much to have all these grids go through each and every one of our windows through every single view. Now I know this was super fashionable 30, 40 years ago. However, it's not what I wanted for this house, but that is just for the pure aesthetic aspects. The other things that we noticed, we had a ton of broken seals, mineralization where you literally couldn't even see out some of the windows. We also had a ton of drafting. The house was not sealed very well, so it did not hold heat, which is important in the winter because it snows here. Oh my gosh. Oh boy. We're in the Tahoe area, and in the summer, if you do want to use air conditioning, that goes right out. So your energy bills are through the roof. So those were my motivating factors to replacing my windows, and also it was due. The windows were old. So I ended up partnering with Window World and partnered with their local team of the greater Sacramento area to work with this window installation. Now, let me go through the process with you so you know what it's like to purchase windows and make choices and why. When it comes to picking out windows for your house, there's a lot of things that you need to consider. One, and one of my favorites, is the aesthetic. What look are you trying to achieve for your renovation? Two, what function do you need to get out of these windows?
Lift up and pull out.
That's amazing. I'll be able to clean my windows.
These are stoppers to stop the window, pull back and push out.
The other thing that you want to consider is your budget. So budget can vary a lot with windows. You can get a more basic style of window. You can get a more high-end window. We went somewhere in the middle with these vinyl windows that are with a bronze finish. And so it has that clean, sleek look. The installation is also going to dictate how much your windows are going to cost to install. So there are retrofit windows, which slide into the old windows place. And then there are nail fin windows, which is what we did because we were also redoing the siding at the same time. But that's also what would be recommended for a house that has a lot of hot, a lot of cold. It's really worth the extra step if one of your prime concerns is weather and sealing the house. So because we combined our projects, we were able to do the nail fin, which basically you have an extra little flap of plastic that sticks outside the window and that nails onto your wall assembly. There's waterproofing that goes down, the waterproofing membrane, and then there's also it gets covered by the trim here. And so this is a really great way to sealing your windows to get the most impact out of having new windows. It might not make sense for everybody to do a nail fit renovation. If you have stucco walls, that's a whole other layer because you got to chip out the stucco to go ahead and do that nail fin application, or they call it new construction as well, a new construction window because you're in construction, so the window can really be part of that wall assembly. The retrofit windows are done afterwards. They're usually a little bit more cost effective, and they can be great in certain areas, but they might not seal as well. And if that's a concern, then go for a new construction or a nail fin window. One of my favorite things about getting our windows redone is that I can open this up at night because I now have a screen where I didn't have one before. And of course, that's a small fix. Look at the view. How beautiful is this? And what a shame to have it blocked by windows that were not functional. So not only does this give me great airflow, it also gives me an aesthetic that I really appreciate. This lower profile, I think, looks really sleek. It gives it a more contemporary look than the bulkier version. And again, we talked a little bit about retrofit windows versus nail fin or new construction. The retrofit windows are going to have a little bit more meat to them just because they have to. That's how they're designed to install into an existing structure. But this nail fin, nice sleek finish is just gorgeous. And of course we got it in the bronze, which I like. I think it looks a lot better than going black. I think black is a little bit too dramatic, and I also think black shows a lot of spotting from minerals and from sun and stuff like that. So I think this bronze is just so beautiful. I really love it. And then of course we have our little nook there where I can open these windows as well, and I absolutely love it. Now, it's quite high up here. It's hard to tell. I'll put a photo of what it looked like, but it's almost 3 stories high up here, and the guys were able to get to all of our windows on a slope. So I was really, really impressed with the Greater Sacramento Window World team that came in to do our installation. I think it just came out really fantastic. This from before was so uninspiring, and now it's so beautiful, and it really captures this incredible view that we have here. And so I am so happy with the project that we did. I'm so happy that we contacted Window World to help us with our window installation. They really had a great team, corporate side, as well as their local team here in Greater Sacramento area. All right, so let's talk about high performance insulated glass unit. So what we were required to use out here, which really benefits us because of the climate, is a triple low E paired with an interior low E and argon glass in between. So the triple low E basically reflects the majority of the solar radiant heat hitting this window, and so it's not transferring inside. The argon gas also does not conduct heat as well as just air, so that also helps slow that down. Now, on the reverse side, from the interior, there's also a low E surface there, and that helps reflect the heat out as well. So you're really getting a lot of heat protection, and that's going to be great for your energy bills. Also though, in the winter when the heat is coming from the inside of the house where you want to keep it, that heat will stay in there a lot better because of this glass assembly for this window as well. All right, so if you're in the market for windows, I highly recommend contacting a professional for a few reasons. Windows can be different from region to region, depending on your climate, depending on your local codes. You really want somebody that understands windows, and that's why we went with Window World. You can find them all over the United States. We partnered specifically with Window World of Greater Sacramento for this area in particular, which proved to be really important because there was a lot of things I didn't understand about windows in a climate that snows and also has extreme heat. So finding the right product that I know will also get us past our permits, give us the aesthetic that we want, and the energy savings was super important. So the process goes like this. You want to contact your local Window World. They'll send out a representative. They'll come to your house. They'll take a look at what you have. They're going to make recommendations for nail film or new construction windows, or maybe retrofit windows. It depends on your house's particular situation, what your needs are, what your overall budget is. There's a lot of factors that come in. When it comes to style and different design choices, there are a lot of them. We went with the upper end vinyl windows because I just love the slimline aesthetic that was also with the new construction window style that we had here. I'm really glad that we did that and that they were able to recommend this is the right way that you should install your windows in this region because of the climate that you face. You're going to get the best outcome from it. And we were able to use that and adjust our budget accordingly so that we had the function that we needed for the space that we live in. Now, Window World, after they send somebody out and you talk about different design choices, so after leaning into a style or two with your Window World rep, they'll go ahead and send you a quote, and it's going to be a line item per window. So we had a lot of different types of windows. We had some that slid from the bottom, with some that slid from the side. We had sliding glass doors. We had a lot of things that we worked with Window World on, and so you'll find that all lined out in the estimate. So they'll line out all the costs, the material costs, the labor costs, so you can see exactly what you're getting. Also, they have a limited lifetime warranty, which is really great, which can transfer from the original owners or the installers to the next homeowner, commercial entity, whatever it is that maybe purchases your property in the future. Of course, this is a forever home for us, we hope. We love it, and we're really happy that we were able to partner with them to create such an amazing transformation for this home. It makes such a difference. Having windows that you can see clearly out of is incredible. Making sure I have my windows that open up so I can just air out the house from one side to the other. It's just really wonderful. And having windows that slide without catching, and you can mostly that I can see through my windows is pretty amazing. But I highly recommend Window World. They came in really efficiently. It took them about 4 days to complete this whole house, which was 36 windows on a 3-story level, which I think was quite impressive. So anyways, if you're in the market for windows, let me know if you have any questions. I'd be happy to answer them below, or contact your local Window World person. Oh yeah, I forgot to add, they also do financing, which can be really helpful if you are not sure that you have the budget to do windows, or say you just want to maybe upgrade from a basic window to a nicer one. So it's 0% down. For each location might have something slightly different, so you want to inquire within your local Window World, but they do all offer financing, which is a huge benefit if you need that to pull off your window project. Because sometimes you just need to replace your windows when you need to replace your windows, even if your budget's not quite there yet. Alrighty, thank you guys for watching. Let me know if you have any questions. Bye.